Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use OBS Virtual Camera on Ome TV. Alright, let's begin. First things first is that you need to go to the link in my description and download the files. Once you've downloaded these files, you need to then run those files, and once you've ran those files, you can close your browser. Then you open your browser again and go into your browser settings and find the camera settings. Once you've found your camera settings, select the new camera that the two files have made for you. Once you've selected that, close your browser once again. If you're using a camera in OBS to use on Ome TV, you need to deactivate it first in OBS. Then go to your device manager, you can search it or right-click your start button, and then find your camera. Once you found your camera, disable it, and then say yes. Once it is now deactivated and disabled in your device manager and OBS, you can then open Ome TV once again. Make sure that you have your virtual cam running, and then you need to re-enable your camera in the device manager and then activate it in OBS. The display capture tab is active. That's why it is showing my display instead of the camera. But in your case, the selected camera layer will be displayed. Once you tap on it, now you can talk to people and have all your OBS effects on Ome TV. So that's basically how you can use OBS Virtual Camera on Ome TV. And that's it for this video. If you find helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.